Okay, we're getting serious now about making our YouTube channel. We're gonna make stuff to help people out, and I got reviewing some of my videos I made, and I stumbled across this fucking hilarious piece. Listen to how serious we are. It's serious business. Listen.
Alright, as we just going, I just took off the one screw, loosened the one screw that. Yes. Sit down. Just sit down. Be quiet. I'm taking video.
But seriously, no 7-year-old nephew of mine will stop me from making my great YouTube channel. I thought it was awesome. Not another YouTube channel, that's for sure. Like and subscribe. You won't regret it.